welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do a little bit of a different kind of video today. Not really reselling related, but it does have to do with nice nails for when you do have to hold things in pictures. I have an amazing company that I've been getting a subscription box for like the past 2 years. Very affordable. They do have a referral program, so word of mouth is always great. But I got something in the mail today that is actually really big, and I thought, did I win something? I didn't win anything, but they do give back so much stuff that it really is a good company to purchase from. Each month they give you, with the subscriptions, you have the choice of doing a dip nail or the gel polish, which I recently switched to the gel polish because I don't have time to do the dip. But the dip is super easy, very high quality ingredients. The gel is just really fast and just easier for me right now working at the post office. I really can't have long nails. But with your subscriptions, you can get the different levels, and it does usually come with one little cosmetic bag or whatever item it is that they're including for that month. This month it is, I just took a peek, but I didn't open all the colors. But this month it's something different. So it is a sparkle face mask. Very cute. I may have to actually start wearing this. If I hadn't mentioned already, the company is called Sparkle & Co. But I noticed they also had oh, there goes the plastic. Really adorable umbrella in here as well. Interesting. I will show you the colors. It comes in a little bag, and they usually have little swatches and cards. Salt and Stone. What is that? It's just a little information about your subscriptions. And it usually comes with an additional liquid, whether it be dip or whatever. See, this month, this would be the September subscription box that I just received. And this is a gel top. So they usually give you some type of liquid to go along with what your bag is. And 3 colors. Sometimes they're extra generous and they give you a full size of another. So sometimes it's a 4 colors. This says, I love new mayonnaise. Salt and Stone. But there are 3 colors. And for this month, looks like, ooh, those are gorgeous. They're really deep colors. There is a purple called Sorry Traffic, a blue called Downtown Dates, and a gold, it's kind of a champagne rose gold, called Lofted Lifestyles. But you get 3 of the, it's kind of a, it's pretty big, it'll last you a long time. I know with the little mini dips that come with the other subscriptions, you can get like a ton out of there. I don't think I ever emptied one. But it shows you the color on each one of these. I just did my mani earlier. So the colors that I have on, the shiny is going to be the Emperor. The green is Camo, Let's Go. And the gold is Lion Queen. So I put a shiny gel topper on this, and then I put a matte topper on the rest of these because I thought that they would look good. As far as the subscription colors, they are exclusive to those sub bags. So if you're interested in those colors, you can sub and then purchase the previous bag once you do sign up for those subscriptions. They do offer an awesome referral program, like I mentioned earlier. It is, I believe it used to be anybody you referred, they got a $9 credit, and so did you. And if they subscribed to the subscription bag, they got an $18 credit, and then you got an $18 credit as well. So you get more if you subscribe to the sub bags. The sub bags, the subscription bags are, for the regular bags, they're $29.99 a month. I have mine linked through my PayPal, so it's triggered through my PayPal. It's $29.99. They do have the I Want It All bags, are a little bit more. They do come with all of the gels and all of the dips as well. And then they have one that's just a smaller bag. You don't get the free gifts. I think you may only get a certain amount of colors. I'm not sure exactly how much that is, but if you're interested to know, I can find out that for you. I will link the website down below, and if you are interested in subscribing to one of the subscription bags, or even just make a purchase, be sure and use my name, Wendy Claiborne, and I will put that below as well so you can spell my name correctly, because nobody ever does. So just be sure and use that as your referral, and I would appreciate that so much because I like to get all the pretty things. So, but anyways, so yeah, that's how I link it back to my reselling business. Is you've got to have nice fingers when they're going to be in the pictures. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Like I said, my name is Wendy. I am a part-time reseller, and I am a full-time postal worker, so I am really rough on my fingers. If you are not new to my channel, I'd like to say welcome back, and I appreciate the support. If you're not already subscribed, be sure and like and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so when I do post something new, you'll be notified. Y'all have a great day. Thanks.